Hello guys, today we are going to see the announcement coming from the Google Next 2025. In Google Next 2025, they announce very attractive products for creating agent, multi-agents, and much more than the agents. So first we will see the about attractive one for develop multi-agents. So there's a new announcement is agent development kit. It's make easy for develop multi-agent applications. So you can see here introduction about agentic development kit. So we can use Vertex AI to create multi-agent system to build, manage and deploy everything. So we can have these options. Now the Google Agentic Space also will available to connect all our account informations and our BigQuery database and give the very rich data for our agent. So we have more options. So we need to look out this all the things to develop very good multi agents. Now this framework is supported to integrate all the APIs, MCP, and other framework like LangGraph also. So we need to see these futures how this is work for us. So this is the example they add in the document. So we can create multi-agent and use for ours. I think it's we can develop the agent with the low code here. So this is the um, agent development toolkit provided by Google. So this is the pillar to build and interact and evaluate for deployment. So it will allow to create multi-agent by designing. So we can create build modular and scalable application by composing multi-specialized agent in hierarchy. So even it will create a complex coordinations. So rich model ecosystems is available. So we can connect with any models through Vector's AI model garden. So a rich tool ecosystem, the tool which help us to connect with MCP2, third party integrated libraries like, as I said, LangChain and Llama Index. Even it can like connect with LangGraph and AI. So rich model ecosystem, this Anthropic and Vertex AI. So it have option for built-in streaming. We can create the agent for real-time streaming data. Interact with your agent in human-like conversation. So by videos we can speak like a human and interact with the natural language. So flexible orchestration, like we can use sequence, parallel, loop, all available. Integrate development, experience, develop, test, debug locally. We have do all the things using this. Build an equalization system also as agent performs by evaluating both final response, easy deployment. So it's how all the options to build multi-agent quickly and very systematic format. So this is the way we need to use Google ADK agent, and we can use Google Gemini 2.0 to develop the agents. So this is the architectures available. So we can use different mod. This is the extension tools, and this is one two agent for one for creating agent and variable agent, root agent. So in the root agent we to connect both agent. When you run, it will reasoning the agent and get the result and provide for us. So we know this. The agent to text AI provide option to connect with any models. So another interesting topic is Ironwood. They give 7G TCP chip, TPU chip for run the AI application very fast. So it's a very attractive, interesting one. We need to learn about this also. So peak performance of larger port configurations. It's, it reaches very huge difference. We'll see this. So another one is the agent, Google Agentic Space. As of now, it's not available to do. We need to wait for some time to get this actions. So how this is working? Even it will work in the browser itself. If we need to run, we give you add symbol. We can ask Jimmy. It will create all the actions and collect all information from the system and get the result in as a agent. So we can call the agent here, agent Gemini. Okay, what is agent space? So it go to the Gemini and run and go the result. So the good features added in the Google. Okay, so they added more actions about the agentic and map everything in Google Next 2025. So these are all the attractive um, features added for develop multi-agents. Let's we look at and learn deeply and implement in our system. Thank you.